Good morning, students. Class 7 will begin chapter 2. Chapter 1 already we have completed. Some rough idea I have given from chapter 2. The name of the story is Sagar the Bully. First, I will analyze what is the meaning of the word bully. Bully means someone who is not liking you and who is making some harassment. This is called bully. So, first, children, open your book, page number 10, because sometimes for our technical problem you cannot see the line properly. So, it is better to keep your own book. Today I will teach you page 10 and page 11 up to this longer the word. Then I will discuss express yourself and this 3 question answers, because this time your unit test there was no moral science, but my planning is at the month of August I will finish the chapter, then I will start the revision work. So don't waste your time, let's start. On returning home from the market, Ankita's mother heard her sobbing. What sobbing? That is means very noisy situation in her room. It meant that there was again a fight between Sagar and Ankita. Sagar and Ankita, they are brother and sister, and after returning from market, their mother heard that there is some fighting. She kept her bag aside and went inside to check upon her. She asked her daughter lovingly. Lovingly means very politely. This is the word lovingly. Lovingly, mark it. What happened, my dear? Vaya has heat again, Ankita said through tears. She started whipping the twins. Then Sagar was about a year elder to Ankita. Ankita was very innocent, but Sagar kept bullying her all the time. The only way she reacted was by complaining to her parents against him. From here, some answer can come, some question can come. How did Ankita complaining to her mother? So this is the answer. Only complaining, after complaining, she felt sorrow and she started whipping. Whipping means crying. Her moment calmed her down by whipping away tears and asked, "Why did he beat you, my dear?" her mother said or asked. Ankita replied, "I needed his maths notebook." Notebooks means copy. Yes, children, every moment I am telling you, the copy is not the correct word. Actual word is notebook. So from here you have learned the word notebook. You should now say notebook. Don't tell copy again. Achha, to solve a question which was unable to solve by myself. She told that I couldn't solve something from maths, so I took help from. I wanted to take help from him. I needed his maths notebook. While I was taking out the notebook, he came and saw me. He became upset with me for not asking him first and slapped me. What wrong with Sagar these days? Why is he troubling? Troubling means giving trouble, harassing, harassment. His sister too much. I will ask their father to teach him a lesson tonight. Her mother was saying by herself that why this boy is always giving trouble. Today I will ask my husband, means her husband. Muttered their mother. Muttered means something she is talking by herself. Being a year elder, Sagar was now, we will see why Sagar was so much worried, why he was so much worried, and why he was giving trouble to his sister. Because being a year older, Sagar was supposed to be one class ahead of Ankita, but he had lost a year. This part is important. Please mark it I, page number 10, or underline with the pencil. This side, showing you this side. Now come to page number 11. Sagar was not well, that's why he was, though he was ahead of Ankita, one class ahead, but as his health was not permitting, he was in a same class at school due to a severe illness. This is the bracket. Hence, the siblings were studying in the same class. There was already, I have marked it with the red bracket. You bracket it. There was always a competition. Competition means one who is making compete or competing with others between the two for getting better marks. Between the two means Sagar and Ankita getting better marks. This was because their father had promised means assured to give. I will give some other word meanings also, don't worry, I will give you for writing. To give a bicycle to the one who would receive higher marks in the final examination. In the half yearly examination, Ankita had secured means got more marks than Sagar. These had upset him too much that he started treating her very badly. He always tried to find an excuse to escape something, to scold her or hit her. Why? Because she got good marks. Ankita got good marks. This was the mental trouble. Okay, that's why we are telling always that don't pull back to a bad student, those who are not securing good marks. Okay, one day he or she can improve. So always we are telling to you friends, don't pull the leg of a person who is not getting good marks. That is a sometimes it's making a mental problem. But Ankita was just she was sad to see the changed behavior of her brother. Sagar hardly listened. Listen means to listen to her or played with her any longer. This line is important. So today up to this much we'll read and go for the word meaning. Page number 12. These are the word meanings. You have to learn by heart. I am showing this. Already this is in your book, no problem. Okay, this is the word meaning. You have to learn and turn the page number 13. Today only do this. I am holding this. Do this part, not this part, not question answer. Only this. Fill in the blanks. Ankita's brother I am holding. You can see and write. I hope if I hold this way you can see all the answers. Otherwise I will read out also. Next day also I will repeat it. Please follow this. Class work. Do it in the notebook. Ankita's brother Sagar always looked for an opportunity to quarrel or fight with her. There was a competition between Ankita and Sagar to get good marks. Number 2. Number 3. Ankita was an affable girl who loved her brother very much. Affable means very affectionate. Ankita saw that Sagar had not brought his lunch box. Number 4. Number 5. Sagar refused to give Ankita his sharpener. Number 6. Ankita forgave Sagar for his mistakes. Number 7. Sagar felt bad of his behavior towards his sister. I hope you can write. I am holding next 2 minutes also. So thank you for today. Next day we'll begin with the question answer and we'll finish the rest of the chapter. Learn well and do well.